Yo, what's up? So today, the goal is to create this function that can take the subset of a given string with a given length, like after the given length. So let me save this file as subset. So let's say we need to create our main function first. And include the library such as iOS stream and pretty sure it's like string or something. C string or just string? It's a C string. Okay, this is alright. So let's say we have a string called std string. Let's say it's apple pie is the best, which I disagree since there's so much better food. So we'll create this function called subset and it will return a string as its returning value. So it'll be called a subset. So that's why this function will be a string. Will be classified as a string function. And first of all, we need std string because the given variable needs to be the string string, and then we need the start, and the amount of letters. And so you go to the subset. We can also have another I cannot create any name, so I'll just call it street 1, and this will be street 2, and then subset giving street 1 as a first variable that it requires, and I'll say 5 as a second one, and 7 3 as a fourth one. Third one. So first of all, we need to do something. So if we give in 5 and 3, this is the first the 0th letter, the first letter, the second letter, third letter, fourth letter, fifth letter, and we will take all the character that's including and after that with the given amount. So if this is a space, our string will be the space, the P and I. There are 3 characters, just like what it said. However, when you create our string, we call it target, since that's our goal, or return this target. And there's some very important things to keep in mind. First of all is that start, it cannot be less than whoopsie daisy. And you change this to English keyboard. It cannot be it needs to be greater than 0, and start needs to be less than string size of street and amount need to be greater than 0, and amount plus start cannot be greater than a the size of the string, otherwise it would exceed the given amount and there will be an error. So actually apple pie is too long, will be too long, so I would just say apple pie. And then we will do a while loop. True. And then we'll just call this thing int I equal to 0 while true. So before the string alright, so target will plus equal to string and start plus I. So plus equal to is just the same thing as equal to, like x plus equal to 1, it just x equal to x plus 1, x plus equal to 2, it just x equal to x plus 2. So this is just an easier way to say target equal to target plus string, like this thing. But that would be like a bit too complicated, not really a bit too complicated, but just to make it like look better and easier to write, it will look like this. And then we need to do an if statement. If amount, no, if I is greater than amount, we'll break, like we'll exit the loop, and then after we exit the loop, we'll return target, which should work. Let me print it out first. Also, so since it will return a given value, which is target, we'll create a new string, which is this, to take in this input and then like visualize it, maybe like print it out, draw it as a graph or something, which will be like a bit harder. If you're in like, if you look at my Python course, which is like a bit more advanced about like computers, like a more advanced branch of computer science, like data analysis and logistic regression, and like basically a bit into machine learning, then like you will know what I mean by other form of input. And then street 2 will equal to this, and then we just print out street 2. Yeah, this should work. Never mind. Why does it doesn't work? What? We don't really need this if statement. we'll just do it like this, which means if I less than amount, we'll just make it like we'll just do this stuff. But when you make I increase, otherwise it'll be a never-ending loop. Doesn't work. Bro, what? SDDC out. Does that work? Also, it also doesn't work. Oh, is it because like there's something with this is wrong? The sides. I mean, I think what is wrong is that there's something wrong with the if statement. Well, let's delete this. Let me see. Then we really need this. And let's see. Polipo. So 0, 1, 2. This is the second. 3 letters. Which is so it should be pleep. I mean pleep. Not sorry. Not what did I pronounce? Pleep. Why is that? Oh, because I printed it out twice. Yes, this here. Alright, so like these, yeah, this is like the revision part of the coding, which is just pretty like the most, I would say like annoying part of the whole computer science. It's really tedious since like there's 3 steps in computer science. I would say first of all, it's like plan it out. You cannot do something like just do it. You need to have a plan and know how you will do this. And then second of all, it's like you need to write the program, the code for each like plan, and then there will probably be some error. I don't really like that's how I came like through with this whole things. Like when I'm learning computer science, my code always just have some error and I just need to revise it and stuff. Yeah. Yeah, so I already found the error. It's like this. So what in the if statement is that only if the stuff in the if statement is true, then the computer will execute the lines in it. So this is the wrong sign. So it need to be smaller than the size. After it will be, otherwise it would just be too big. So now we can try some stuff, which is to test if our if statement will work. And there's actually like a specialized job on it, which is testing every like things that programmers like wrote. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if we give this should return nothing. Yup, is correct. And if we give like a -8, this is incorrect. -3, still incorrect. Yeah, and you just need to test if there's any error. Otherwise, your program, if it have a bug, and this small mistake might influence the whole project. If you're doing like a really big project unlike this, which is a very quick homework. All right. And basic, that's it.